Okay, so let's draw a rough picture first. 5, 4, let's say this is 5, 4, there's a point there. If you isolate the y here, you get minus 3x plus 4, so minus 3 over 4 over 5, right? So that's, we have 4, so this is 4, that's 2, that's 1, so y, the y-intercept is around there, and slope is 3 over 5, so something that looks like this, right? So we want the shortest distance, which would be this. Okay. So first of all, I need the equation of this line here. Okay, this line will have a slope that's perpendicular to that slope. So the perpendicular slope will be the negative reciprocal of this, which is 5 over 3, and it contains this point. So it's y is equal to 5 over 3x plus b, plug in 5 and 4. Okay, 25 minus 3, this is 12 minus 25 over 3, so that's minus 13. So the equation of this line is y is equal to 5 over 3x minus 13 over 3. So we have to make these two lines equal to each other to find this point. Once I have that point, I can find the distance. So in this equation, I'm going to replace the y with this. Let's multiply everything by 3 to get 9x. If you multiply the 3 in here, you get 5x minus 13. Multiply that by 3. 9x plus 25x minus 65. 34x minus 77. 34x is equal to positive 77, so x is 77 over 34. Fortunately, it's not a nice value. To get the y coordinate, so let's use this. Okay. Let's replace in here 77 over 34 minus 13 over 3. So I could have plugged in either this one or this one. Since y is already isolated here, let's plug it in here. And unfortunately, it doesn't reduce though. So yeah, we just have to multiply them, which is going to get even uglier, right? So this is 90, 102, right? We get that. 102, so 102 is a multiple of 3, right? It's 14, right? 3 times by 14. 4. 34 times by 3 is 102. So 385 minus 13 times by 34. So that actually I think is divisible by 3, top and bottom. So 1, 9, 34. Okay. So that's the intersection point here. 77 over 34 and minus 19 over 34. And this point was, of course, 5 and 4. So what is the distance? Let me do it here. It's the difference between, right, 5 and 77 over 34. And the difference between the 4 subtract, so it's going to be plus 19 over 34. Okay, so 5 times by 34. That. Okay, so it has a common base of 34 squared, right? 34 squared, and we have 93 squared plus 155 squared. So the bottom is going to be just 34. The top, It's a gigantic number. You get that. So you can stop there. I guess if you want it in decimal form, we can just use a calculator. 5.32.